Today, Burundi's president is leading by example. An avid football player, he's known throughout the region for his football skills.
You know that before I become president, I was playing in the league in Bujumbura, and after I became also a coach. Those players who are together in our team, they are my former players.
Nowadays, whenever he travels outside of the capital Bujumbura, so too does his team, the Halleluya Football Club. The team's name a declaration of the president's own Christian faith. His opponents, this mountaintop village's local team, know they're in for a tough match against seasoned opponents.
Ikipe ikomeye nimvira ko ari ikipe y'umukuru w'igihugu kuko ahantu henshi imaze gukinira imaze gutsinda inkino nyinshi nimvira ko nabo nyene natwe ntiturabona turakina.
The only advice given by this coach to his players before the game is to be nice.
Yego abakinyi twavuganye twagerageje kubahanura yuko umukuru w'igihugu ikizira kumukinira nabi bamukinire buhoro buhoro mugabo naho ntitwace tumureka baramwataka ariko kibi no kumukomeretsa cyangwa kumukinira nabi.
This may be a friendly match, but both sides are out to win.
Le président de la République. En disant, surtout, c'est de calmer le jeu. Parce que l'équipe adverse sont des jeunes. Bon, l'équipe de sont des gens qui sont quand même un peu âgés. Alors, s'ils jouent comme leurs adversaires, c'est le deuxième but, voilà. C'est le deuxième but. Hein. Mais un peu de rigueur, là. Un peu de rigueur. Ils jouent dur. Il faut faire la même chose. Ça, hein? C'est bon. Kazan, Wapelik. Chaque fois qu'il faut en retrait. Ça.
Burundi's football-playing president, as he's known throughout the region, firmly believes that football can bring the nation together and that tribal divisions are erased when it comes to the great game.
Football is very important. It's very popular in Burundi, and if you go in every area, you can see the people playing soccer. Soccer in Burundi is very popular, and when you come here, you see all the people, even the old men, the old women, come to watch the match. It's very important to unite the people.